Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got off work. This lash is falling off, pardon it, it looks like crazy. But I wanted to go ahead and do empties. I have a whole basket of empties that I've been hoarding basically for a really long time now, and it's time to throw them away. It just is. So that being said, we're just gonna jump in because A, my battery's about to die, and B, my SD card's gonna full. So let's just go ahead and hop into this. Not only is this an empties, but I also did like a kind of declutter of some things that are in my collection that I just do not need anymore. Like there's no reason for me to still have these products. I don't use them, or they're old as sin, or they're just, no, there's time to go. They're gross, disgusting, whatever it is. So we're just gonna go ahead. This product is actually what I was waiting to finish so that way I could do this video actually. This is the Suave Ocean Breeze body wash. I mean, it smelled good and I guess it got the job done. It's not my favorite body wash ever. I got this from school. Landon's calling me. Yes, honey? Bye, baby. So that body wash, like I got it from school. I had like monies or whatever that I needed to spend before the year ended, so I just got some like laundry detergent, body wash, stuff like that. So that was that. I used it. It's lasted like 2 months-ish, so not bad, I guess, right? I mean, it's okay. I wouldn't necessarily go out of my way to repurchase it, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty cheap to begin with. So this, I don't know if they make this anymore. I think they make it, but not in this scent. It's the Passionberry Vanilla Sugar Scrub from Ulta. I got this as a gift a long time ago. You can see, like, it's just liquid now for me in the shower. I mean, it was a good scrub. It definitely, like, exfoliated, made you feel soft, but it's just so freaking old. Like, it just needed to go. And it's at the point where it's liquid, it's not even a jelly anymore like it used to be, so it was time to go. The next thing is this Pure palette. I got this in BOXYCHARM. I just don't use this. I plan on gifting it to like my mom or really anybody, any of my friends. If you see this video and you want this palette, like, hit your girl up because you can have it. Like, it's fine quality. Like, they're a little bit, like, what's the word I'm looking for? Shoot, I can't even think of the word. Like, chalky looking. I mean, some of them are nice. Like, that burgundy color was nice. But, like, I just don't reach for this. And I don't see myself reaching for it. It doesn't have a transition shade that I would use. It's just, it's gotta go. I need to get a wipe. Oh. I did not prepare for this video. I did not prepare for this video very well. This wipes. There's another thing that's about empty. Like, I have like one left. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these into this video because I have like one left and I'm gonna use it to take my makeup off later. So like one or two. But these are the baby wipes from Lidl. They are enriched with aloe vera and olive oil. They are in the comfort one. There's like a comfort one and a sensitive one. Obviously I used a sensitive one, and I think the comfort ones were like, there was like a coupon for them or whatever, so I got those instead. They work fine. They're not like the best makeup wipes I've ever used, but I mean, there's like nothing wrong with them. They work. So that is that. There's a couple left in there, but you know, they take off pretty well. Like my hand, that's everything that was on my hand is gone. The next thing is this face mask. I vaguely remember liking this. It says aromatically beautiful and fresh blend of fruits and botanicals with nourishing essential oils for moisturizing and soothing of your skin. I tend to use these when my face is either really dry or like really irritated, like red. It doesn't smell it. It's kind of slippy. I think it had like a lot of stuff on it after. But yeah, that is that. I do think I liked it. I know I like these. These are the Juju Natural Volcanic Masks. What's the brand? I have a bunch more of these sheet masks. It just says Jeju Natural. They have like an aloe one. This is the pore one. This is a volcanic one. I like these a lot. They really make your skin feel nice and smooth after. I got them from Marshall's. It was like a 10-pack or 8-pack or whatever. This, I don't know why this is in here. It's in Huda Beauty lip box. I have all the glosses over there. That's the box. That's awkward. Next, oh, this is old as the hills. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind not moisturizer, concealer. This is the second one I've gone through of this, which tells you something. I went through like not using this for a while. I used to use it a lot. Oh, there's a little bit left, but it's just so old and like dark oxidizey kind of, like it's not my shade. Like it probably would be my shade if there was like no oxidation to it, like not, it wasn't old as the hills. But I've replaced it, so I definitely bought it again. I don't know, it's just not, I mean, I'd like it. That one was just super old and I had already ripped off like the little spongy thing and everything. It was just, no. Next thing is a conditioner, the Tresemme, used by professionals, expert with marula oil, keratin smooth. It's 5 benefits in one. I really like this conditioner. It makes my hair feel really soft, but it doesn't like coat it, if that makes sense. They repackaged it. It doesn't look like this anymore. I have the new packaging upstairs. I was really confused when I went to the store and I was like, I finally found a new conditioner. Because if you guys remember my last Empties, I was just not using the swab anymore because that coats your hair really bad. And I was switching over to this. And then I was like, I found one that I like and it's not awful for my hair, and they're out of it. And no, they just changed the packaging. So this is really good. I really like it. It does have the oil. It's for anti-frizz, detangle, silky shine, soft feel, and tames flyaways. I wouldn't necessarily say that it tames flyaways, but it definitely does the rest of that. My hair doesn't get as frizzy, I don't think. It detangles fine, and my hair has been feeling much softer than normal. And like, but not like coated soft. It's just like a healthy kind of soft. So I like it. Next, I went through a pack of cotton rounds. Not much to say. Equate brand. I think I liked these a lot. It was either these that I hated or that I really liked. Maybe I hated them. There's like one of them that I went through where they like peeled apart really bad and I could not stand it. And then there's other ones that are like, they stay together so well. I wish I knew if it was these or not. Sorry, that wasn't very helpful. Next, soft soap body wash. This, my stepbrother's fiance got for me before I went to college, and I just now finished it. Like, it's the Juicy Pomegranate and Mango Infusions one. Oh, I love how it smells. Oh, it smells so good. I really like it. I think it's the both of them, honestly. But pomegranate's an antioxidant, and this is moisturizing. I really like this. I remember having to use a lot to get a lot of bubbles, but I love the smell. Oh, it smells so good. Anyways, let me stop before my camera dies while I'm just smelling stuff. The next two things, they go together, Naked and Naked 2. I just don't use these. The quality is not there like I remember it. Like, I'm not into nudes anymore. This was like one of my first palettes. It was the first for a lot of people. It's like okay, but they have such, like, there's such better stuff out now that it's just, I wouldn't recommend it necessarily. Like, I feel like everybody has it in their collection, but you don't need it. Like, there's, and this one, like, I dropped on the floor, the black shattered. It's like, there's like maybe like 2 shades in this that I want still. And it, like, honestly, just this one. Like, that's such a pretty color. I don't know, maybe I'll keep this one. Just because, like, for those 2 shades there, which is Verb and YDK. Those are pretty, but, like, the rest of these, like, I don't reach for it. I don't know. I kind of like that one, though, so maybe we'll keep that one. It's like, you look at it, and I don't feel inspired at all. Like, it looks so muted and gray, and, like, I don't feel inspired, you know? Like, I don't know. I'm so into brights that it's hard. The next thing is Protini. I literally opened it. Like, that's how much I was out of it. I was like, I'm popping open this thing. Like, I need more. I used the crap out of this. I really liked it. It wasn't heavy, but it made your skin feel smooth. Like, their Lala whipped cream. Lala. It's like the other one with the purple. I think it's purple. Pink. I think it's purple. That one's phenomenal. It's a heavy one. It has like an oil in it, and this one does, and this is like the lighter version. It says it strengthens, restores, yeah. It's a breakthrough moisturizer cream. It's just phenomenal. I really like it. And I'm out. So sad. But I have like a bunch of other moisturizers that I need to use before I buy it anymore. So I would repurchase it, yes. Am I going to? Probably not, because I have so many. So It's good though. I recommend it. Even if you're oily, you can use it. Another moisturizer is the Ole Henriksen Nurture Me Moisture Cream. I scraped the crap out of this. Like, look at that. I wasn't a big fan of the smell. It smells so familiar though, because I used to use this at night on top of like a oil, and I really liked it. It made my skin feel smooth, and it was like heavy enough. It has rosehip fruit oil in it. It was like heavy enough to like help make me feel like something was on my skin, which is what I like at night. So that being said, I would get it again, but I probably won't because I have a bunch. Actually, I kind of need a nighttime moisturizer because all of the ones that I've gotten in like BOXYCHARM and whatnot are all for the daytime. Like, there's nothing that's heavy that I can use at night. So maybe I will go purchase one of these again, like the big heavier ones. The next thing, oh, I wanted to cry when I ran out of this. This is the Carrez Black Pine Serum. It's an anti-wrinkle firming and lifting serum. And I tell you what, this was really good. Like, I didn't even spend that much on it. I think I got it for $16. Oh, there's a little bit left. Oh, I'm definitely using it tonight. I'm just gonna have to dump it out. I spent like $16 on this at Marshall's. Normally it's like $68 at Sephora, and that's why I haven't repurchased it, because $68 is a lot for me right now. But it is amazing. Like, I can't even like you literally, you'll see the difference. Like I got to the point I was using it every single night as my serum and just smearing it all over my skin, like pressing it in and whatnot. And then like I stopped using it for a little bit, and I was like, let me try something else. Maybe this isn't like the best for me. And then I was like, my skin looks awful. Like, it literally like plumps you and makes you look younger. Like you don't look like, the wrinkles in my forehead weren't as prominent. Like my cheeks looked fuller, not like fuller, but like, you know what I mean, fuller as in like healthier. It was just, this stuff is miraculous. I really like it. So I've been using the night cream right now. Like, I got a little packet of it. I've been using it and I really like it. I really like this line. So Carrez, you're doing me good. You're doing me good. I use their moisturizer too. I've been using a lot of Carrez lately. Like their oil I use. This I was using. I use the moisturizer in the morning and their moisturizer at night. So yeah. I thought I was never gonna run out of this. This I got in like one of my first, actually I think this was the reason I got BOXYCHARM to begin with, because I saw that they got this and I was like, well, let me get that before I can't get it. This is like a $79 exfoliator. It's the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. I mean, to get it in a BOXYCHARM, which is $21, to get this, which is $79, is phenomenal. And that was like the whole, and that's has cultivated my love for BOXYCHARM, which still hasn't stopped. But I used this until I could not use it anymore. There's like nothing left. But this, I liked it. It was like a fine enough exfoliator where your skin did. My camera died, so we're gonna try to hurry to hiccup. But anyways, I was talking about this. It's pretty good. I wouldn't buy it again, like $79. No. Next, Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I've emptied this before. It's a good setting spray. Lasts. It's just one of the smaller ones, and I'm out of it. So yeah, I have repurchased it. I have more in my drawer. Next is the Detox Dry Shampoo by Drybar. I like this one. The scent is kind of odd, but I like this one. I like the, like, if I remember correctly, it does well, but it, like, also feels, like, pretty heavy in your hair. I like the Bumble and Bumble one better, I believe. But I would get that one again. Next thing is another palette that I just don't ever reach for. It's by IBY Beauty. I think we got this one in BOXYCHARM as well. It's called Three's Company. It looks like this. It's pretty. I just don't, like, this would be good if you're like someone that just needs to put something on quick before work. Like, there's like a gold, a white, and a, so you have like a lid, crease, and brow bone or inner corner color. And that's all you need, but I need more than that in my life, so she's going by. So again, friends, if you want any of this, let me know. This next thing is the Belief Eye cream. It's the eye balm, moisturizing eye balm. I really, really like this. I used to use this in the morning. Did I use it at night? I don't remember. I don't think I use it at night. No, I still use my mirror at night. But this one was really nice, and I have the full size of it too. This was just a mini, so I just wanted to try the mini first and see if I liked it before I like broke open the whole full size one. But I really like this, and I'm ready to open that one. Next is the Olay Eyes Ultimate Eye Cream. I got this from my dad. My dad works for Procter & Gamble, which makes Olay, and he got it, and obviously he's not going to use this because it's tinted as well. It definitely, I liked it because it, not only is it moisturized, but it also, like, if you put it a little bit where your dark circles are, it would help, not like super crazy low, but it would counteract a little bit of the darkness that you have around there. So yeah, the next thing is something that I just needed to get rid of. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15, which is oddly lighter than shade 10. I don't get it either, but it's just so freaking old. Like, I'm pretty sure I got it the same time I got that other Maybelline one, but it's got to go. Next is this Revlon Gloss in the shade 58. It's a color burst in Bejeweled. It's like this lavendery color. It doesn't really like give much of a glossy effect, but it's sticky, and that's why I'm getting rid of it. It's the stickiness. Next, I have two of these lip glosses by Beauty Concepts. They're so old, and they're like frosty. This is like, I don't remember where I got these. Maybe they were a gift. They're just like frosty, but like inconsistent. Sorry, I'm not showing you. I'm just reminding myself. But I'm not a fan. So they're going in the garbage, and I wouldn't actually pass those off to somebody because it's just not good. The next one is an e.l.f. gloss in the shade Brian, and it broke off. So first example as to why it's going in the garbage. If I can get it open, it's just, I just am not a fan of this color. I would never reach for it, and it has slight shimmer in it, and it's just, not my favorite. So in the garbage they go. One more gloss is by e.l.f. It's in the shade Joe. The top came off of this one too. It's a very like orangey color, like coral. And I just don't reach for colors like that either. So, in it goes. I have 4 eyeliners. 3 of them are Jordana and 1 of them is Essence. They're just either not a good color for me, like this Essence one is, it's, first of all, it just broke, and second of all, look at that. Can you see it? No, because it doesn't freaking exist. The Jordana ones, they're okay. I just don't ever reach for them. Like, this one's not hardly pigmented either. Like, you really have to bear down. Or, like, this purple one looks brown, like a brownish black. No, they got to go. Then I have 3 mascaras, and that's it. My camera's about to die again, so we're gonna have to make this quick. I have this Revlon Bold Lacquer by Grow Luscious one. It's a black brown. I used to use this on my bottom lash line all the time. It was good. It's just old as the hill, so I need to get rid of it. Then this CoverGirl Clump Crusher by Lash Blast is a good one. It just, it's really old as well. I use this just to break up clumps in my mascara. It's not like something that I would use for, what is the word I'm looking for? Like as an actual just like mascara itself. I only use this to break up clumps in like clumpier mascara. And then this one, Marc Jacobs one, I liked this one, but it's, I freed up enough room on my SD card just to finish this video. I was talking about this last mascara, which is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I think I might even have this in a fuller size. It's just so old. I think I liked this though. It's just really old and I need to get rid of it. So with that being said, that is it for this video. You saw all of the goodies that I'm either getting rid of or out of, and what I wouldn't, or have repurchased. And yeah, so with that being said, that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks for watching. We had a bunch of empties, and I'm excited to start the next batch. You know what I mean? Alrighty, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm your boy out here, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!